Hello friends, good evening. I'm Jay Shah and today I'll be writing with this new nib, the Nikuji. I didn't use it, so I am dipping this ink. Okay, like this. I wait till the nib is not ready. People just burn it with a lighter or a matchstick for few seconds, but I don't do this. Let me try it. Yeah, it's fine. Sorry, it's an old paper here already written one thing. Okay, the ink is taking, writing the A in a flourished way. You can see this is the compound curve. This is totally not angular. The slant is okay, like this. Okay, this is the slant. This is the line of universal beauty. Okay, and here, like this. You can also write like this. This is the basic A in copper plate or whatever you say. You see here it is straight at 55 degrees, but here initially it is going like this compound curve. Okay, and this straight down, this should be on the accurate pressing point like this. Okay, and now from here slightly like this. You can also write like this. Okay, so as you can see, the new nib is working quite well. Let me write alphabet B. I'm writing just freehand, but then also try to maintain the oval shapes here. These are the oval shapes. Okay, I'm writing it again. Okay, like this. I thought that the nib would be ready in 1 hour, but it's still working very fast. Okay, and now this one B. So these are all flourished one. Okay, and we can say it the pointed pen nib calligraphy. Okay, but whenever we'll write, we should know the basics, and I have been practicing for a long time, and people just say me, can I start directly with this oblique holder, this one, and use the nibs and the ink, because they are very conscious about their wills and the skill. But you know, we should first start with the pencil. Okay, because if you don't know the alphabet structures, then we can't write with this. Even if I give you this holder, there is a perfect way to fit the holder, the nib, in a perfect position. Okay, so let me write with the pencil. I don't know how much clear it will be on this video. let me try it. Okay, so this one is my pencil, this one is extra dark pencil. Okay, nothing special in it. You can see the art line. Okay, art line, love art, sketch pencils. Okay, just like for this bee. You can see in a single stroke I have written. Okay, now this one. This one. This one. I have made another video regarding only the bee, the shape of the bee. You see, these are all oval shapes. Okay, in our copperplate script or this type of script with pointed pen, we maximum prefer the oval shapes. Okay, now lastly I will write the C. Okay, for you. And people say what ink I use. You know, this is the ink, and this one is the camlin ink. You see this one. Okay, this one is a blue one, but this one is a black one. Okay, and I don't know why people just say me that what ink do you use. I don't use any special type of inks, but I have the Sumi ink and the vermilion ink. Whenever I write with that, this one is the vermilion ink. I show you. Okay, this one is not the red ink. Okay, but this one is the red ink which I use. This one is also the camlin, sorry. Okay, this one is the red one. You see the red tint. So if you want, you can also make your own ink and use it your own way. This is the C. You see how I hold the pen. This is the angle. This is the angle. Okay, it will start from here. This is the florist one, and let me write a simple one like this. Okay, one thing you see, when we write this and this, the difference is this position. Okay, in this position you can see this is the 55 degrees we maintained. Okay, this part 55 degrees we maintained, 55 degrees, but here we have gone little bit far. Okay, so it's not that you have to maintain the 55 degrees, but maintain the shapes and the size. This is what I think is the most important thing in calligraphy. And this one is the last C I am writing to end the video. Okay, you can see in this there are two overlappings. Okay, from here, here and here. Okay, but I have maintained the 55 degrees here. Try to maintain this, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and what to say more I don't know. Thank you. Namaskar. Good night.